Welcome. If you want to get LED keyboard on your Honor 7C, at the first you have to go for the Play Store. Then tap on search pool, type LED keyboard. Select keyboard from Zazik Studio. Right now let's open. Click to get started, tap OK, click on the switcher, click OK one more time, another time, click on the input options and switch to LED keyboard. Right now we can pick one of this theme. I will go for the free RGB circle, so click here, and after that you have to wait a little bit and scroll and tap to download the theme. Right now the ad is going to pop on the screen, but we can close it. And as you can see, here we got our new theme of the keyboard. And this, LED light is pretty, right? So it looks really cool. And I hope you like it and you will enjoy this beautiful keyboard on your smartphone. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!